Welcome to William Carey Wednesdays. My name is Landon Adams and I am here with Dr. Ben Burnett in the Wheeler House, which has recently been renovated and is once again the President's home. Now, can you show us a little bit about the renovation here? Can you show us some of the house?
Absolutely. Well, first of all, a room that's very special to me for a couple of reasons. This is where I will be doing a lot of my work, but it's an honor to me to be in the same study that Dr. Ralph Noonkester used for over 30 years living in this house.
So this really is a blending of the history of William Carey with launching into the future.
Right.
And so as we think about all the donations that made this possible, because it's an expensive venture to renovate a house.
No doubt.
And we had so many community partners come alongside of us. There's an event coming up on May 13th on the Mississippi Gulf Coast at the Gulf Coast Coliseum.
Right.
It's called the Ultimate Gridiron Gala. Can you tell us a little bit about what this event is and who's going to be there? Absolutely.
Well, just like we couldn't have done this project without the gifts and the support of many, many people. Our students go to William Carey University as a very affordable option because of the generosity of so many people who support our scholarship program. So on May the 13th, Mississippi Gulf Coast Convention Center, we will have two guest speakers, Sarah Thomas, who is the first female NFL referee, and she is a William Carey parent. But we have another guy you may have heard of named Drew Brees, and he will be our main guest speaker that night as we celebrate scholarships, but also as we raise money for scholarships. Tickets are on sale now. They'll go quick. Our goal is to have 1,000 people there that night, and we're already well on our way. So they need to click on the link, go to our website, try to get their tickets now because it'll be a great night.